hydrogen like ion is emitting radiation with the frequency, let's consider F. This F is 3 into 10 power 15 hertz, and it is emitting when the transition is happening from the second orbit to first orbit, n equal to 2 to n equal to 1. So we need to find the radiation emitted by the same ion when it makes a transition from n equal to 3 to n equal to 1. So third orbit to first orbit. Now we should know how to write energy level of hydrogen atom. Energy level of hydrogen atom can be written as negative 13.6 electron volt divided by n square, where this n is the orbit number. Now, when there is a transition between the energy levels, so let's consider this is 1, 2, 3. So the ion will emit radiation. That radiation is equal to change in the energy. Okay, change in energy is like final energy minus initial energy. So we can write it as negative 13.6 final orbit squared minus initial orbit squared. Negative 13.6 by Ni squared. Okay, so this change in energy only we will write it as Hf. This Hf will become negative 13.6 into 1 by Nf squared minus 1 by Ni squared. Okay, so we are interested in frequency. So I am going to rearrange this and write the frequency, maybe F. This is some constant times 1 by Nf squared minus 1 by Ni squared. Fine. So using this, let's write this F. F is basically the transition from n equal to 2 to n equal to 1. So F, I can write it as C into 1 by Nf. Final is 1, 1 squared minus initial is 2 squared. So this F is 3 into 10 power 5, which is equal to some constant times 1 minus 1 by 4. This will become C into 3 by 4. So I can write C as 4 by 3 into 3 into 10 power 15. Sorry, this is 15. Okay, so the value of C becomes 4 into 10 power 15. Let's keep it as it is. Now consider the second case. In the second case, the transition is happening from n equal to 3 to n equal to 1. This is F dash. This F dash is C times 1 by Nf square. Nf is 1 and Ni is 3. Okay, so here we'll get 1 minus 1 by 9, which will become C into 8 by 9. Let's substitute C value. C is 4 into 10 power 15 into 8 by 9. This will become 32 by 9 into 10 power 15 hertz. This is our F dash. So this F dash is the frequency of the radiation when the ion make a transition from n equal to 3 to n equal to 1. We compare this with the question. It is written as x by 9 into 10 power 15. So we can say that the value of x is 32.